Hey everyone! Welcome back to CoreViz Studio. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to edit an entire set of images into grayscale using the new editing workflow. First, I'm creating a new drive. I'll name this one Bulk Editing, Grayscale, pick an icon, and then click Create Drive. Next, I'll go to the Edit button in the top right corner. This is where you can bulk edit every image you upload into this drive. You'd use this tool anytime you want to apply the same adjustments across a full photo set, like matching brightness, contrast, or sharpness settings for consistency. It also lets you switch between AI models, depending on your style or the level of detail you want. For this demo, I'm going to use Flux Context Max, but you can also choose Nano Banana or Seedream 4. In the prompt box, I'll describe what I want the edit to look like. For this one, I'll type, convert all photos to grayscale with a high contrast monochrome finish, clean highlights and deep blacks, similar to Ilford Delta 400 film. You can also add a reference image here if you want to give the AI more context. For example, a sample image that shows the exact tone or texture you're going for, or if you want to add a specific effect to your photos. Once that's ready, I'll click Edit All. You can also toggle on Auto Edit New Files if you want any new uploads to automatically use the same settings. Now I'll upload the full set of images, and CoreViz will process them all at once. After they finish processing, I'll switch over to Layout and change the view to Fit, so we can see each full image clearly in the workspace. And that's it. All of your images instantly converted to a consistent grayscale style in just a few steps.